Welcome back friends, and in this video I am going to tell you 4 settings which you have to do in your mobile so that you can avoid your mobile hanging problem if it is coming in your mobile. And if it is not coming, if you do the setting, it will not come. So the last setting is the most important setting. I think you should go through the entire video to get the most benefit of this tutorial. So not wasting much of your time, if you like the video after watching this, please consider to subscribe and share it with your family and friends. So the first setting was, just go to the notification and here location, just long press it for some time. After that this will open. See, location consumes a lot of battery, and it here when you go to the app permission or location services, Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning, this is on in your mobile. This will be on, I suppose. Means let apps use Wi-Fi for more accurate location detections. Apps will use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and they will continuously scan both for accurate location. This is not desired at all. When you need to accurate location, if you need, then this should be on. Turned it off for better battery backup and faster quick response of your phone. So this was the first setting you need to do. The second setting was, go to the developer option, first activate it. Means developer option will come here in setting in last. If it is not coming, go to the about phone and then go to the software information, build number 7 times, tap it. After that enter that pattern and go back, and after going back, if developer option will be there, and then in developer option go below, and here 3 settings is there. I will tell you, just go below 3 skills: Windows animation skill, transition animation skills, and animator during skills. You should select animation of it. Anything other than this is select, the mobile will go slower and slower. If you select this, it will be very slow. So just off it. I have taken off, so my mobile is, I have selected off, so my mobile is fast. So this was the second setting you need to do for the faster experience. For this hang problem will reduce considerably after doing this. You will feel, you will enjoy like anything. So see, if I am tapping anywhere and see the response, how it is opening. Suppose I am opening this, see how fast it is opening. So this will make your mobile much faster than before. The third option is, you should refresh your phone. How it can be done? You have to go to the setting, then go to the battery and device care, and here up you should optimize regularly. It will do 3-4 things, and now it is optimized. Great will come. You should do this regularly. This will reduce the hanging problems. Means your mobile will get faster. This was the third one. And the fourth, which is very important, is related to Play Store. Go to the Play Store. Here tap on the profile and then go to the settings, and here go to the network preferences, and then auto play videos, auto update apps. Here don't auto update apps. Means select it, and then what will happen, if you are selecting this, apps will not automatically updated in background, and the memory will be saved, and your mobile will get faster and faster. So if you need to update any app, manually update it and going on that app. So these are the 4 settings which I wanted to tell you. This will for sure improve your mobile speed and also reduce the battery drainage problem. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.